Uganda National Catholic Council of Lay Apostolate, UNCCLA, is a body that brings together all the laity in Uganda, and it comprises of heads of diocesan laity councils, heads of national lay apostolate, movements and affiliate organization. Earlier today, the Lay Apostolate Commission organized a national delegates conference upon which 12 leaders at various levels of leadership were elected. The event was preceded by a Eucharistic Mass at Blessed Ulrika Chapel, led by His Grace Paul Ssemwogerere, who assured the new executive of God's support during their term of office because it's Him who has chosen them.
What a powerful message from St. Peter as you are being commissioned today, that God is talking to you as a chosen race. Your being here is not by mistake. God must have done something to say, please go and serve the church and leave the rest to me. Have that confidence that God is the one who chose you, and because He chose you, He's going to look after you wherever you go. I know you even traverse this country much more than myself and many bishops. You have been places that I've never been, and you go and come back and report. You know what is happening in society, and sometimes you don't want us to go and see what is happening there. Say, you stay there. In your palace, we shall do the work down there. But who gives you that energy, that strength? That spirit that forces you, drives you to do the work. It is God who has consecrated you, a people set apart to sing God's praises.
Shortly after the Mass, the Archbishop commissioned the new leaders.
Moses, Ruth, David, Solomon, Elijah, Deborah, Peter and John. Above all,
Gavas Indianabo, the president-elect of UNCCLA, retaliated his team's commitment to deliver their mandate as he expounds.
And together with a very good team, we promise that we will do our best. In terms of our assignment, we had a discussion for the last 2 days, and we talked about our mission and the vocation of the laity in the church. We talked about our responsibility in the world. We talked about our responsibility in the church. We talked about the mission of Christ and how Christ said, "As my Father sent me, so I send you." Christ came so that we may have life and have it to the full. So our mission will be around that. We don't have our own mission. It is the mission which Christ gave to the whole church. The mission of the church is the mission that we carry.
In an engagement with some of the newly elected members of the committee, they vowed to serve diligently in their distinguished capacities as mandated.
Today we have this new executive running for 3 years, and I urge all Catholics to respect lay leadership, to love lay leadership, to enjoy lay leadership, because as laity, with our patron saint St. Charles Lwanga, we nurture the nation. We nurture leaders. We groom the Catholic that will take on the mantle in years to come. As we leave Kisubi after elections today, let us shine. Let our light shine all over.
Yes, the church has given us opportunity to showcase our abilities, to learn and to journey with the elderly. So my message out there to you is, let's embrace these spaces that the church has given us to show and to serve Christ. So let us be focused, let us be intentional in what we do, and let us move. In YCS we believe that you see, judge and act. You don't act before you judge.
I am privileged to serve as the National Youth Leader. A message to our youth: please work hard. Whatever there is, work with your heart. We are there to support you. Today we had officially National Youth Leader represents the youth views on the committee of UNCCLA. And I am happy that we shall not keep quiet about things that matter. Whatever frustrates us as the youth, we shall present them. Trust me, I am just a call away. You can always inbox me, look for me. I will present your views.
On the other hand, Father Frederick Tusingire appealed to the Catholic community to support their own Uganda Catholic television in regards to its exceptional dissemination of the Catholic's interests to the whole world.
Tune there, and it's a very unique channel, UCTV, and for Catholics to be happy even to have links with Rome when there are great events in Rome with the Pope. They are always broadcast on this channel. But also now national events, as you can see, like this one, which is a very important event that the leaders are renewing, the lay leaders are renewing the leadership, and is now broadcast on this channel or UCTV. We appreciate UCTV. I think it is starting great.
Report compiled by Joseph Kabali for UCTV News.